Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Proton Pass account in 2026. If you no longer want to use Proton Pass and want to permanently remove your data, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open Proton Pass on your browser, desktop app, or mobile device and log into your account. Next, make sure to back up any important passwords or secure notes before continuing, because account deletion may be permanent. Now go to the Settings or Account section from the main dashboard. Next, look for the Account Management or Privacy section, where deletion options are usually available. Now select the option to delete or close your Proton Pass account. Next, you may be asked to verify your identity by entering your password or completing two-factor authentication. Now carefully read the warning message about data loss before confirming the deletion. Next, click Confirm Delete or Close Account to proceed with the removal process. Now wait for the system to process your request and permanently remove your account data. Finally, make sure you are logged out and that you no longer have access to your Proton Pass vault. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a Proton Pass account. Your account and stored data are now permanently removed. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.